I have all these pictures and don't know what to do. Think I'll create an archive of slideshows. How about that? Hello and welcome to the world of 3E's Video and Creative Editing Services. My name is Marilyn Harris and I am one of the professional editors on the 3E's Video team. Just to give you a quick overview, 3E's Video Services are top in demand. Our Hollywood results at economic prices are proven satisfactory, simply because we treat our prices as firm commitments rather than fuzzy estimates. Happy results always embrace our clients. You know all those pictures you have in a photo album? Well, allow us to turn those pictures into magical shows. Join us as we unite in this social viral industry. This video you're watching is some of our most creative products. Wonderful green screening. Green screening can take you around the world without even leaving the studio. Again, check out our services. You will be very much pleased with our Hollywood results at economic prices. 3E's Video Services also offer wedding videos, PowerPoint presentations, business promotional videos, church sermon videos, funeral slideshows, green screen productions, video commercial layouts for cable television, and Blu-ray is also available. We have over 1,000 special effects.